Introducing the Nautical Curveback Adirondack Chair. SKU AD610, a chair that doesn't just belong on your patio, it transforms it. Imagine sinking into its generously curved back and spacious seat, engineered to cradle you in comfort for hours. This isn't your average outdoor chair. It's crafted from POLYWOOD lumber, a revolutionary material made from recycled plastics. That means while you're relaxing, you're also supporting sustainability and keeping waste out of the oceans. Unlike typical wood, POLYWOOD won't splinter, crack, or rot. This chair is built to weather every season, from sweltering summer days to snowy winters, without losing its vibrant color or structural integrity. And maintenance? Forget about it. A quick wipe down and it's as good as new. With a 20-year residential warranty, this isn't a temporary purchase. It's an investment in lasting style and comfort. Available in an array of colors to match any outdoor design, the Nautical Curveback Adirondack Chair doesn't just fit into your space, it elevates it. Ready to redefine your relaxation? Discover the Nautical Curveback Adirondack Chair on our website today.